And now we're going to show you the steps of the Engagement Waltz. We start in ballroom hold, facing diag to the centre. It commences with a reverse turn to end facing diagonal to the wall. We do a whisk and a promenade chassé moving diag to the centre. So we'll show you the first 4 bars. No talking. Reverse turn, whisk, chassé in promenade. From here, we're going to do a weave from promenade. 1, 2, 3 to end backing diagonal wall. Into a backlock. 1, 2, and 3. And now an open impetus turn into promenade. Gentleman doing a heel turn. 1, 2, 3. Into a left side whisk. 1, 2, 3. So now we'll repeat that from the very beginning, showing you the first 8 bars. One, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2 and 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. So from here, now having finished in a left side whisk, the gentleman, we're going to dance a twist turn, turning to the right to finish backing diag wall against the line of dance. 1, 2 and 3. Onto that, we add a hover turn, back to the side, replace to back diagonal to the centre. So perhaps now Sue would like to show us the lady steps. She has crossed left foot behind right foot on bar 8, and now she is doing the twist turn, going round the gentleman and 1, 2 and 3. Now her hover turn, she steps forward to the side and replace, turning to face the gentleman. So if we put that together, it looks like this. And 1, 2 and 3, turn, 2, 3. From here, we have 4, 5, 6 of a reverse turn to face diag to the wall. 1, 2, 3. And bar 12 is a travelling contra check into promenade. 1, 2, 3. So if we put the 4 bars together now without stopping, and 9, 2 and 3, 10, 2, 3, 11, 2, 3, 12, 2, 3. So now we'll dance it for you from the very beginning. One, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2 and 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2 and 3, 10, 2, 3, 11, 2, 3, 12, 2, 3. We now come to the last 4 bars. It commences with a fall away. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Into a natural hesitation. Forward side close, back to the side and close without weight, facing diag centre in our commencing position. We're now going to dance it for you right from the very beginning. And I'm counting it in beats and bars. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2 and 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2 and 3, 10, 2, 3, 11, 2, 3, 12, 2, 3, 13, 2, 3, 14, 2, 3, 15, 2, 3, 16, 2, 3.